Hi everybody, my name's Michelle and I'm with Sustainable Seed Company. You might have noticed with your new windowsill unit that you have worm dew. We are now supplying some worm dew samples in there with instructions to do the worm tea. The worm tea will help your little seedlings strive to be lush and great and grow strong. Now in this video we will go through the instructions of doing the tea so you can have an idea of how to do it. So let's take a look here. We'll need a 32-ounce container or mason jar. So right there I have a 32-ounce mason jar. You'll need the sample and the instructions obviously. And we'll get some water. So first thing we want to do is open up the bag and the contents and pour it into the jar. So as you can see, I have the bag open, I have the jar open now, and now I'm just going to pour it in. The whole contents are in there. That's all I have to do, and now I will need to add some water. Okay, now as you can see, we've added the water, so now we'll want to put the lid on. And we're going to want to mix it. You can either mix it with a spoon, or you can just kind of shake it a bit, get it all mixed up, and then you're just going to want to sit overnight. And once it is done sitting, you will mix it again, either with a spoon or you can just shake the bottle. And then after that, you'll just water your seeds like you would normally with the mixture. And this will help your seeds become nice, strong, and luscious. Thank you, and have a great day.